And I know you like a jukebox playing in the middle of the club. A hot night, baby, and I just can't get enough.
Alright guys, so this is the organization that I have for my makeup. I have the mom dressing table from IKEA, and then all of my makeup is in here. And then I also have the Alex 9 drawers, but only my palettes are in there. So what I want to do is just organize all of this, go through all of this, organize this, because this is just a lot for me. So I think I'm going to start up here first because this is my everyday makeup. I just want to clean everything, sanitize it, and just organize this all better in general. So this is the first drawer. I want to apologize, my nails, I've been picking at them and this whole quarantine thing is not going too well. My first drawer has like primers and my foundations, concealers, and powders, I guess. So I'm just going to go through this. I love this foundation. It's the Bobbi Brown one. It's my favorite. I use it all of the time. And then this Revlon Stay Matte powder. Honestly, I don't have that much left and I don't really like it. And I already have a different powder. So I think I'm actually going to toss this because it's just not my favorite. Next, I have this Lancome primer. It's just a sample size, so I'm going to keep it and use it up. Next, I have this MAC Prep and Prime. I'm not going to keep this either. It's empty. Next, I have my Bobbi Brown Stick Foundation. It is completely empty, so I'm going to definitely throw this away as well. And lastly, I have these two concealers, the Tarte Shape Tape and then the Bare Skin. I love both of these, so I'm definitely going to keep both of these. Next is the second drawer. I don't think I'm going to get rid of anything in this one just because I like everything a lot, but I kind of just want to go through what I have. So I have the NARS blush in Deep Throat, and then I have this Bare Minerals Invisible Bronze Bronzer. I have the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Soft and Gentle. It's a highlighter. Then I have this Bobbi Brown eyeshadow stick, my Urban Decay Primer Potion, and this clear brow gel. So this is the last container. So I have two palettes. I love both of these palettes. They're both from Tarte. I think Tarte is one of my favorite makeup brands just because I love all of their palettes and just their makeup in general. So I have both of these. If I can open them, I love them a lot. So I'm definitely just going to keep both of these. Then I have this mascara. I'm not too sure and I don't use it that much, so I'm actually just going to throw it away because I know for sure it's expired. Then I have this Lancome waterproof one. I love this one a lot for my bottom lashes, so I'm definitely going to keep this. And then I have my Bobbi Brown. I've talked about this in a million videos. It's one of my favorite mascaras, so definitely keeping that. And then I have my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I love this thing a lot as well, so I'm going to be keeping this. And lastly, I have my Nivea Milk and Honey lip balm. It's not my favorite, but it does the job, so I'm just going to keep it. So now that I've decided what I'm keeping, I'm going to disinfect. Alright, so next I'm just going to go through my brushes. I'm going to speed this up because this is going to take me a little while, and I don't want you to like be bored just watching me do this. Alright, so I decided to keep this many and I got rid of 4. Honestly, I didn't do as good as I thought I would have, but I use a lot of these brushes, I just don't realize it. Alright, now it's time to go through this stuff like over here and over here. I have places in my Alex 9 drawer that I'm going to put those, and also this cream right here. This smells so good. If you have not ever tried it, it smells delicious. It's from Bath and Body Works. If I'm being honest, it really doesn't do much for like hydrating, but just the smell alone just makes me want to repurchase it. And then this stuff over here, if there's room in these drawers after I'm done organizing them, I'm definitely going to put them in there, but for right now they're going to stay up here. It's just some setting spray, my moisturizer, my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and then 2 deodorants. I don't really mind them being up here, but I'm definitely going to be putting those in my drawers. Okay, now it is time to go through this madness. I have just a lot of junk in here. and I just really want to reorganize. So I'm gonna start over here. I first have my ring of hairbands. I'm definitely keeping this. I love just having them easy access. And then I have some cotton rounds, which I'm actually going to be putting in my bathroom because typically I do my whole stuff in my bathroom. So I'm gonna put this and nail polish remover in there. And then also these masks. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be putting them in my bathroom as well. I have this. This can stay in here. I really enjoy this stuff, so that's going to stay. And then I don't know why I have one single battery. And then I have my makeup remover. These are going to stay in here just because I like having the towels in my room. And then I have my Morphe 35O palette that's going to stay. And I guess this brush as well. So that's what's staying as long, and with this. So right here I can fit my setting spray and my moisturizer. I feel like I can organize that a little better, but for right now that's what's going on. So now this was just supposed to be my powders, concealers, and foundations, but as you can see I kind of ran out of room here, so we're actually going to be going through this right here for right now. So this is the first bin. So I just have a lot of random products if I'm being honest, so we're gonna go through this. First I have this Lancome foundation. I really enjoy this, so I'm actually going to be keeping it because if I don't want to wear my other one, this is the only option that I have. Next I have my Becca highlighter. I don't want to let this go because I really like it a lot. It is my Becca Champagne Pop. It is shattered all to pieces. I really love this a lot. I think I'm going to keep it. I just love it and I don't want to pay for a new one. Next I have this Tarte blush. If I'm being honest, I have no clue why I still have this. It's a very bright pink color and it's not really my taste. But next I have this Bare Minerals Original Mineral Veil. It's a loose powder. I really don't use it, so I think I'm going to see if my mom wants this, and if not, it will be going in the trash. Next I have this Bye Bye Pores Pressed thing from It Cosmetics. I think I'm going to just toss this. I never use it. I have two primers. One is the Benefit Professional. Since it's mini, I'm going to keep it, and I also have this Too Faced Shadow Insurance. I'm going to keep as well. Then I have this Tarte loose powder. I'm just going to keep this. As well as my Laura Mercier powder. Then I have one of my favorite concealers from the drugstore, the Age Rewind. I'm going to keep this as well. I have my two Benefit box powders. I have a few more. They're still in my drawer, but I'm just going to keep these. This is the Rockateur. I love this. So sad that it shattered, but I'm going to be keeping this along with my Benefit Hula bronzer. I love this a lot, so I'm going to keep this as well. Then I have my Makeup Revolution highlighter. I like this a lot too, so I'm going to be keeping this as well. So these are my blushes, bronzers, and highlights. I'm going to be trying to be getting rid of enough to fit these in here so that they're not in the other drawer. So we're going to try this. I don't know how well it's going to go. I know one that I can get off right off the bat. This is the MAC blush. It's just not my color. Like, it's so dark. This is in Stubborn. I'm gonna see if my mom wants this, and if not, I will donate it because MAC's expensive and it's not very old. Next I have this one. This is the NYC Smooth Skin Bronzer. This is so old, I should not even put this on my face, so I'm gonna throw this away. Oh, this is hard. This is hard. This one, I really love this for like a natural like blush. Oh, let's see. I love this one too. This is the Benefit Bella Bomba. I know this is so old, but I just feel like I have to keep it. This can go. This is the City Colors Cosmetics highlighter. It's a really pretty highlighter, but I just already have like 3 other highlighters and that I love a lot more than this. So this can go. I'm going to see if my mom likes it. I think I'm going to keep these two, I think. I have this Milani one. I love this one too. And then this bronzer I love a lot too. It's the Bare Minerals, this Skinny Dip Ready Bronzer. I love this one. So we're gonna try and see if these all fit in here. They all fit except for my Clinique. Is that a sign? Is that a sign? Alright, next is my eyeliner, single eyeshadows and stuff drawer. I will say I am going to be keeping this ColourPop single eyeshadow just because I have no other eyeshadow like it. I started out with 4, but then I've just like donated the other ones, but this one is the one I've always kept. I have this freaking sucks. Don't buy it. It's the waterproof Great Lash. I'm going to be throwing that away. What else? This I like just because I'm almost out of my Brow Wiz and I'm not going to Ulta anytime soon, so I'm going to keep this. I can see what I did with the eyeliners. I used to have so many, but I only kept one liquid and one regular one, so I think I never do eyeliner, but just in case one day, I'm going to be keeping both of these just because. Next, I have my Anastasia Brow Definer. I love this. I'm going to keep this as well. This I like, but I already have like 3 other mascaras, so I'm going to toss this one. This is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. I like it a lot, but it's old. It needs to go. Then, oh my gosh, this is so hard for me to let go. This was like my first little like eyeshadow thing, but they're all like really pretty and pigmented. But I think it's time for me to let this go. I just have so many other palettes that I prefer, and I never reach for this. So next is my supposedly lip section, but it's kind of a lot going on here, so we're gonna go through this. I don't really see myself getting rid of a lot, but we'll see. So first I have my beauty blender. That's not going anywhere. This is gonna go. This comes in the Benefit box blushes, and I just don't use them. I have my Vaseline. It's really mini and small, so I'll keep it. Then I have this. I talked about this in my last favorites video, to die for. If you can get your hands on it, I definitely would, so definitely not going anywhere. So my problem with my lipsticks is I really just don't wear lipsticks, so that's my problem. And I'm like, well, what if one day I want to and then I don't have a good variety? So that's my problem. I have this Maybelline Baby Lips. I just don't enjoy it that much, so I think I might just get rid of it because it doesn't really moisturize. Then I don't wear lipstick, but I just really like that color, so I think it's from Clinique. I don't know, I'll keep that. I love this one too. Oh, it's mini, so like I can travel with it. This next Loft Soft Matte Lip Cream, I also love this color. I'm gonna keep it. I'm sorry, I'm not doing well. I also really love this. I'm definitely going to keep this. I don't have a gloss. And then I have these. I think I'm just going to bite the bullet and keep these 2. I like all of them. I don't know. I'm not a big fan of this one, if I'm being honest. I think I'm going to get rid of this and keep these 3. So I think I did okay. I got rid of how many things? LOL, 1. Okay. Alright, next down here is just a lot of miscellaneous items that I'm going to go through off camera, just because it's like a lot of random stuff. It's like ibuprofen and like other stuff, so I'm going to be going through this off camera, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like after. Alright guys, so I just organized these. All I did was put my hair ties, my bobby pins, and some nail polish here, and then my deodorant that was on top of my desk, some tweezers, and my false lashes, and just some nail clippers. So that's what I did here. And then I moved these up here and then put my makeup bags back there. So this is the overall view of what it looks like now. And this is all of these stuff that I'm going to be getting rid of, as well as this makeup mirror because it is broken. So I have this one, so I need to go ahead and throw that away. But I'm really proud of myself because, to be honest, I did not think that I would be getting rid of this much stuff, if I'm being honest. And then over here, it just looks a lot more clean. So I have my brushes and then my makeup and all that, and then my deodorant, and yeah.
How